It's been a difficult year for so many, but as we pause to give thanks today, healthcare workers on the front line of the pandemic are top of mind for many. A resounding act of thanks.
Celebrate our healthcare and essential workers.
While we may not be able to all gather this year, Emily Voss and her mom wanted to make sure those on the front lines of the pandemic know just how valued they are.
My family members are in healthcare here locally, and so I've seen through them and hearing their stories of other healthcare workers how difficult it's been and how they're just getting so tired and worn out.
Now they're hoping people across the area will join in their joyful noise making.
My mom she works for healthcare, so we have been working really hard to stay positive.
She hopes their gratitude brings the neighborhood together in a socially distant way, of course.
Even our neighbors who don't get to see their family, we can just kind of be their family from a distance.
This is the perfect time for it to start, for us to show our gratitude on Thanksgiving and through the end of the year.
All coming together to send a loud message.
Thank you so much. You are doing amazing jobs, and I know it's so hard. Just keep the faith.
And don't worry if you missed tonight. Grab your pots and pans or whatever other noisemaker you have and join in tomorrow night at 7 or any other night for the rest of the year. In Marathon County, Sarah McGrew, News 9 WAOW.